Hello everyone. So welcome back to the IPS coaching center, and today we are going to do 6.4, which is criteria for similarity of triangles, which is after the exercise number 6.2. Okay, so criteria, there are various criteria of the triangles to prove it is similar. Okay, so let's move with the first criteria which is given upon in the text. Okay, so the first theorem in this came is theorem 6.3, which we need to understand. That is, if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion, and hence two triangles are similar. So it is saying like that in the BPT theorem. Okay, if in two triangles corresponding angles are equals, means corresponding angles means angle B is equal to angle E, and angle E will be equal to angle D, and angle C will be equal to angle F. So these are corresponding angles, and if these angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same proportion, then we can say that this triangle is a similar triangle, and that criteria is known as AAA criteria, criterion of similarity of two triangles. That is angle angle angle. We have studied in the back classes, our previous classes, about SAS, ASA, AAA, corollary, or we can say congruency. Okay, so here we do not have to prove congruent, we have to prove the triangles are similar. So we are using the term criterion of similarity of two triangles, means triangles. Okay, so as we can see here, the theorem 6.3 explanation is given with the full constructions and all. So let's move with this theorem, and I am going to explain you. Okay, so let first note this theorem in our note. That is our theorem 6.3. What it says, if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion, and hence the two triangles are similar. So the triangles are given us are like this, and one is bigger than this, it is like this: ABC, DEF. Here one midline is given. Okay, so using AAA criterion, I am going to write using AAA criterion of similarity ठीक है, angle A is equals to angle D, angle B is equals to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. Okay, so here we have to cut DP is equals to AB, means how much is the length of AB will be equal to the length of DP, and DQ is equals to AC, and join PQ. So join PQ. Okay, then triangle ABC is similar to is congruent to DPQ, because by AAA congruency. Angle B is equals to angle P, angle E, and PQ is parallel to EF by CPCT. This all we have studied in class 9th, you can remember. So therefore from this we can say that dP by PE will be equal to dQ by QF, and that is AB by DE will be equal to AC by DF. Similarly, AB by DE is equals to BC by EF, and so AB by DE is equals to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. So hence we conclude that the sides are in the proportion, therefore these are similar triangles. Okay, and in the next page you can see that there is given that if two angles of a triangle are respectively equal to one angles of another triangle, then two triangles are similar. Means if two angles are equal, then also the triangles are similar. Here the activity 5 is given. Draw triangles ABC and DEF such that AB is equals to 3 cm, BC is equals to 6 cm, CA is equal to 8 cm, DE is equal to 4.5 cm, EF is equal to 9 cm, and FD is equals to 12 cm. Okay, and here some solutions are given which you need to read, because we are not going to do this because it is given in the book also. That's why 6.4 theorem is, if in two triangles sides of one triangle are proportional, that is in the same ratio of the sides of the other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal, and hence two triangles are similar. This is the just opposite of the theorem 6.3. It is saying that if the two triangles have the same ratio of their sides, corresponding sides, then the angles, corresponding angles will be also equal, and hence they are in the similar triangles, or they are similar triangles. Here you can see it is given and fully explained. You can read once. Then activity 6 comes, which is in the last. You can see, draw two triangles ABC and DEF such that AB is equals to 2 cm, angle A is equals to 50 degree, AC is equals to 4 cm, D is equals to 3 cm, AD angle D is equals to 50 degree, and DF is equals to 6 centimeters. And according to this, on the next page the construction is given. You can read. or we can see in this video. Okay. Similarly 6.5 theorem is there, and then some examples are given, which are example 4, example 5, and till I think it is given example 8. So till example 8 it is given. You can see here the last question, that is example 8. And guys, where you cannot understand these questions, you can text me. I will upload a special or a video on this. So today we are going with the exercise 6.3. So let's begin. State which pairs of triangles are similar. Write the similarity criterion used by you for answering the question, and also write the pairs of similar triangles in the symbolic form. Okay. So we have to write the criteria and say the triangles are similar. If we can see the first question, that is here. Okay. See. So let's solve this. If you are going to take the first question of exercise 6.3, question number 1 ka first, that is two triangles are given. Okay, and one is given like this. This one is 80 centimeter, this one is 80 centimeter, this one is 40, here also 40, and 60 and 60. So A, B, C, P, Q, R. It is asked that so that these triangles are similar, and by which criterion you can say. So here we can see angle A is equals to angle P, comma, angle B is equals to angle Q, and angle C is equals to angle R. Therefore we can say that triangle ABC is similar. This is the symbol of similar to triangle PQR. How you can say? By AAA similarity, yeah, criterion. Similarly, first of all, if you want a screenshot, you can take. Okay, so I think you have taken. So similarly, we can see the question number second, what is given. So here also two figures are there. In all questions two figures are there, because similarity we have to prove triangles, we need two. Okay, ABC and here PQR. It is 4, it is 6, it is 5, it is 2.5, it is 3, and it is 2. So let's begin. So here we can, what we can say, that PQ by AC is equals to QR by AB is equals to PR by BC. Why? Because I think PQ is 6, AC is 3, QR is 4, AB is 2, PR is 5, and BC is 2.5. So these all are giving 3 2 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 25, 2.5 2 ja 5. So we conclude that 2 is equal to 2 is equals to 2, means 3, what we can say, 3 sides are in proportion. Therefore, by BPT, basic proportionality theorem, or Thales theorem, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and hence it is proved. So if you want, you can take the screenshot. Okay. Similarly, you have to do till 6th. So I think I can do for you. So let's move with the question third, means part third of the question number 1. Third part. Okay. Third part is like this. Question is, here also two triangles, and one is something bigger than this. LMP DEF 564 32 2.7. Okay. So if you see this question, what can you think? If we divide DF by LP, so it will give 2. MP by DE, it will give 4. But the third side, that is EF by LM, will not satisfy in this. Hence, we can say that, or let's try. So DF by LP is equals to DE by MP is not equal to EF by LM. Therefore, we can say triangle LMP is not similar to triangle DEF. Similarly, if you see the fourth question, here I can do. So fourth, it is given like this. Okay. So here 2.5, here 70 degree, and here 5. Here 5 either 70 degree, and here 10. R, P, Q, R, M, N, L. Here we can say angle M is equals to angle Q, and QR by LM is equals to PQ by MM, because here 10 either 5, and here 5, and here 2.5, both will give 2, 2. So 2 is equals to 2. So therefore we can say by SAS corollary, triangle MNL is similar to triangle PQR. Let's move with the 5. When we go with the 5 question, fifth question, we can see, okay, here ABC, DE, F. Angles are 80 degree, 3, 2.5, 6, 80 degree, 5. Here also angle A is equals to angle F, and DF by AB is equals to EF by DC. 5 2.5 is equals to 6 by 3, which will give 2. So we can say 2 is equals to 2, therefore by that is by SAS, corollary triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. And when we go with the last, our sixth part, here first triangle, then second triangle, 30, 80, 70, 80, DEF, PQR. So what we can say, angle E is equals to angle Q. Okay, and this is our X and this is our Y, because we cannot say that X angle 80 is equals to angle E is equals to angle Q, so angle D will be equal to angle R. Okay, because it will something that these angles are means when we are going to use the angle sum property, we can find that X and Y. So if I am going to find the X and Y, so using angle sum property, X plus 80 plus 70 is equals to 180 degree. X will be equal to 180 degree minus 150, so it will be 30 degree. And when I am going to find this, so Y plus by angle sum property, Y plus 80 plus 30 will be equal to 180, and when Y is equals to 180 minus 1 and 10, it will be equal to 70 degree. Hence I can say, what I can say, angle I can say that angle D will be equal to angle P and angle F is equals to angle R. Therefore by AAA, corollary triangle DEF is similar to triangle PQR. Hence proved. So last was little much lengthy, but it was so easy because it is the syllabus of basic. So you can see what I have done. By using the angle sum property, we have to find the angles and then we have to show that they are similar. So if you like the video, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Okay, so press the bell icon. Okay guys, so from the in the next video, okay, so in the next video we will see. So I am making this as a like okay, so like video okay, so in the next video we can see from the question number 2 to question number 16 is there. So I think in this video this is enough, okay, because video is going to be lengthy. So let us stop here. So thank you guys, and if you do not have the subscribe the channel, so subscribe the channel and share to your friends if you understand properly. and if you have any doubt you can comment in the chat box. I can see and I will reply definitely. Okay, thank you.